As soon as you're recovered and you can walk, then you must leave here.
I nearly died getting to Shaolin. I won't leave now.
But Shaolin doesn't want you.
Master, teach me Kung Fu. Hey, teacher, what is this? This isn't Kung Fu.
If you can beat me, then you may take charge of any chamber in the temple.
Excuse me.
Chief Abbott, Santa is not ready for his promotion.
Я не просил, но ты же знала, что меня теряла. Я босиком по стеклам